Hello everyone, I am Manoj from team Bug Brawlers. Our teammates are Tejaswini and Gaurav. So today we are going to replicate the landing page of Shopify. So here it is. This will be the final output. So let's do this. I have used HTML and CSS using Visual Studio Code software. So let me open it and let me open a new folder which is an empty one. Empty. Yep. So here we are going to enter index.html. It's a random name. Enter. So let's focus on HTML code right now. So here it is our code. So let's go with the first part. Yep. So here we have in the first line the document type is like it's an HTML. Second it's like a which language it is. Of course it's English. After that here we have a head tag and we have meta tags over here, and we have the title of the page. So let me change the title to Shopify. Yep. So next we are going to link the HTML to the CSS. So let me create another CSS file over here. Index dot CSS. And so I'm going to link CSS. After that we have used some CDNs bootstrap links for the logo and related assets of the Shopify in the web page. So next is our body part. So it is the main part. Like here we have the image source. I have put up an URL for the logos of Shopify. Let me show you. Yeah. So the title it is Shopify. So this is what the logo URL I have put up in the image source over here. And alt is like if the image doesn't work, is there any alternative text we need to put, but we don't need. So that's why it's an empty one. So h1 is like a heading, so we put it like a sell online with Shopify. Yeah, this is called h1 sell online with Shopify. Next we have h2 like heading, second heading, trusted by millions of business worldwide. Here it is. Okay. Okay, we will be styling it in CSS. We will be discussing it later. Next, we have an input button over here. Enter your email address. Here you can see this. Enter your email address. It's the input where user will be giving in the web page. So we put a button tag over here. Inside it, there will be the text start a free trial. Besides the enter your email address section, we have a button start a free trial. After that, we have a P means the paragraph. We have put a small paragraph describing the website. So after that, we have the what to say. We need to put a main image over here. So let me get that image. Yep. Copy. So this is what the PNG you need to attach over there. So let me quickly link it over here. Yep. Once we will. Okay, this is what the image we need to put. Okay, we will be styling it in further in CSS. So next is like footer. Let's go to the footer section. Here we have the divisions, three different divisions. Here you can see over here there is a customizable templates all in one, and there are three different sections. So three different sections needed three different like logos, text, small headings. So here we have first part is for the image, the color it needs. Second part we have the heading under that image or a logo. After that we have small description over it. After that another division, another logo or image, and another heading and another para. Here we have the three divisions. Whole source is from Bootstrap because we need some assets which are not available. So we have used. After that, let's quickly go to CSS. Yep. So this will be the starting part. So it's description. Don't need the description, right? Yep. So background image will be like the color we put, what we say, the color code. Here it is, RGB 171, 198, 144. It's like red, green, blue. Hope so. Yep. So after that, you can see over here. Refresh. No, it's not happening. Off. Go live. So here it is. Background color. It has changed. It can be done in CSS. After that, align items in the center. Text also aligned in the center. So let's see, is it aligned or not? Yes, it is. Sell online with Shopify, trusted by millions of business worldwide. It came to the center, which was like left side until now. So it came to the center after that. So let's quickly go to the next part. Heading H1. What is H1? It is sell your, what is H1? Sell online with Shopify. So we put a font size of 50 pixels. The means the size, it's 50 pixels. After that, input. There is an input button, right, to enter your email. So button also, let's quickly paste it up. So we have given the input button, the dimensions for it, the margins and padding and border for it, and after that beside we have a button for it, like start your free trial. So in that, the color must be white and the background color must be black, so it can be seen over here. 1 second. Yep, here you can see the button background image is black, the text image, text color is white, and here in the padding we have put a padding right. Also sorry, is it right? Padding right. Yeah, padding right, so that so that the cursor goes over there. Next, what's next? Yep, the remaining one is the footer. Control plus C and control plus V. Yep. So the font size is like smaller and the position is relative. For the footer we have three divisions, right? For that we have put these are the designing, what to say, mm, like dimensions we have like, yes, dimensions we have put to them. So finally our output be like this one. So this is our final output. We have done it very simply, very short. Put a logo and heading, another heading, we put an input and a button, and we have put on a para. After that we have put a main logo. After that in the footer section we have three different sections. In that three different sections we have put some headings and para and the logo. So here you can see, so this is what we need to create. So we have created it like this. Oops. Yep. So here it is. We have replicated it as it is. I hope so. So thank you all for watching this.